The Indigenous Art Code Limited is a company that was established just last year, and this was flowing on from 3 years ago, a Senate inquiry into the Indigenous visual arts industry. This was coming from a number of perceived sort of issues in the industry, and that was to do with Indigenous art dealers and the way they worked with Indigenous artists. So after the inquiry, this company was set up and the company established a code of conduct, and that code of conduct has been put in place to regulate dealers and how they interact with Indigenous artists. The code it's regulating the way the dealer works with the artists, but it's not sort of limiting the amount of artwork that gets out there. It's just making sure the artwork that gets out there has been purchased in a way that is not discriminating against the artist. Allens were approached by the company and asked if we could work on a pro bono basis, and things sort of just flowed from there. That was about 6 months ago, and there are a number of areas that they needed help with, and we've had different departments across the firm involved, including sort of IP, tax, competition, employment, and then us in the corporate group. A company like Indigenous Art Code Limited just doesn't have, it's a not-for-profit company, it's a company limited by guarantee, so they don't have a lot of money to just put towards legal fees. So this sort of assistance is really critical to them, because otherwise they wouldn't be in a position to receive legal advice on such a significant level. And I was actually up in Alice Springs during the time that I was working on this matter, not related, on just a separate break. And yeah, it was good to sort of look around and see, you could see sort of artists out and about, because we went to a bit of a festival, and so it was good to see them, and you kind of think, I wonder, you know, if down the track this code that I'm working on might actually affect these people. So yeah, it's interesting to think of it that way.